to Aquino. Aquino drives. Basket by Mr. Aquino. Aquino, 2 points. Pass to Aquino. Basket.
Baba!
15 seconds, shot clock.
Aquino, harassing by number 6. Up. Aquino drives. Basket in the harassing by number 6. Aquino. Basket by Mr. Aquino. Basket. Pass to Mr. Aquino. No basket. Pagatuan. Easy to find by Mr. Aquino. Aquino drives. Basket. But there's a foul. Mr. Oprim. Rebound by Mr. Aquino.